Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. And if you enjoy these kind of videos where I bring you information on how you can get access to high limit credit cards, make sure that you like and subscribe. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Now, I am bringing you guys some very important information on how you can get access to a credit card to help you build your personal credit and if you have lower credit score. Now, today I am bringing you guys First Access. Now, First Access is a lender that helps people build their personal credit while giving you all a credit limit. Now, a good thing about this credit card is you can get approved less than 60 seconds. So it's an instant decision whether or not you have been approved or not. They also have the user friendly mobile app, which you can do and control everything right through your mobile app. And another great thing about this credit card is they do report to all major credit bureaus, which would be Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Now, I look at this card as a credit building credit card that helps you build your personal credit. So, if you do have a low 560 credit score or even a 520 credit score, I will recommend this credit card, especially if you are looking to rebuild your personal credit. Now, they are also offering a free Vantage score and credit education to all credit holders. So, if you do open up an account with them, you will be able to get more information on how you can build your personal credit and other tricks and tips that, can help your credit overall in the long run. Now, with this credit card, unlike other credit cards, they do offer some rewards that you can get with the First Access credit card. Now, they have 1% cashback rewards. So, as long as you are paying your bill each month, First Access will reward you in all the new program that rewards you for making your payments on time to your account. Now, how do I apply for the Access Reward Card? Apply for the First Access Card account and start earning 1% cash back based on payments that you make to your First Access Card account. After opening up your account for 6 months, you will automatically enroll in the First Access Reward and can begin redeeming points after your account is active for 6 months. Now, with this credit card, they do have a $500, not $500, but $300 credit limit starting off. But depending on your overall credit profile, some people have been approved for $3,000 or more. Now, in order to get approved for a higher credit limit, they will need to look at your proof of income, your spending limit, and your other accounts that you have and debt obligations. So, all of those things play a big factor in getting a higher limit. But keep in mind, this credit card is designed to help you rebuild or to build your personal credit score. Now, with this credit card, you can also request a credit limit increase just after 3 months of making your payments on time. But some people do prefer, or some lenders do prefer, you waiting at least 6 months to show that you are credit worthiness. Now, it just really just depends on your overall credit card preference. I do think this credit card does have a lot of pros and cons. So the first one I would say is you can qualify with bad credit, does not require a security deposit. And the downside is they do have a one-time fee and they do have a high APR. So the one-time fee for this credit card is $95 and the APR for this credit card is roughly at 35.99%. Now, another thing to keep in mind in order to get this credit card, you must already have a checking account. And again, there is no security deposit. Simply pay an online one-time fee of $95 in order to open up your account. So they do have pros and cons. It just really depends on where you're at in your credit journey. And you can see an increase just after 3 months of making your on time payments. So, if you guys are looking for a credit card with bad credit, then this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.